Well, hello everyone. On this video I'm going to show you how to get your gun quickly on power and become a really OP, because the guns you can use on the game will only be unlocked on level 25. The first gun, it's on level 25, and the good one, because the first one is really bad, this one is really bad, and the really good one you will only unlock on level 29. So it's very it's not early in the game. So I'm going to show you how to get these guns really quickly. So the first thing you need to do is to grab this beautiful pal here, this one. It's called Nightwing. This pal you can find really on right on the beginning of the game. When you start right here, you can find on these waters right here this Nightwing. You just fight with it and you catch him. Once you catch him, you can fly around. So once you have your Nightwing, you come on this location on the map. Let me zoom out. It's right on the south part, this particular zone here. You begin the game on this part, right? You just fly around here, okay? In this beautiful stone world here. Then you find some chests here. You will find 3 chests on this island, let's say. You will find some informations to build your own gun, okay? You find the chest, you unlock all the three chests, and you will find instructions to make your first gun, okay? Could be a chest like this one right here, this purple one. You will find 3 of these on this island, so you unlocked all of them. So on some of these chests, when you unlocked it, you find this thing right there. It's called Handgun Schematic 1, okay? You pick up and you see in your inventory. So once you have it, you will go to your craft table right here, and you're going to be able to produce your own pistol. For this pistol you need some ingot, some oil. It's really easy to get the stuff, and once you produce, you have your own pistol. This pistol right here, it's really beautiful. But how you get some ammo for this gun? And to get the ammo, you go to this part of the map right here, the fishing village, okay? It's on the south. You go right here, okay? Once you arrive here, you will see some guards. You don't mess with them, and you see a vendor, and this vendor is gonna give you ammo. So you need to have some money on the game to buy from him, but this money, it's easy on the game. So far this part you would have some money, of course. There's no need to look around right now. It's just a vendor. You press F to talk with him. You just I came to buy something, so you buy, and you can buy the first pistol, the first one I show you in the beginning of the video. But this pistol is really bad, I think. So now you have some ammo. You buy some ammo with this with your money. So it's pistol. It's many variations of ammos you can find here. So for the pistol is this one, this little one here. You just click and you choose the menu, the more you want. Depends of your money, of course. So you choose, you buy, and then there you go. You have your own gun with ammo before the time. And this is gonna be really good for the game, because it's gonna transform you into a OP, let's say, because it's really good, this gun. It takes a lot of HP from the PAL, so it's really good. So much better than the arrows, the other guns. This gun right here, this bigger one, this big pistol, is gonna give you really OP on the game. Okay, so thank you again for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.